JD.
Free JD.
Free
JD
my
good.
nigga JD. And then Baller, handsome Baller. Shout out to him. He a real nigga. I fuck with him. And then me.
You blazed that track. They gave you the longest part too. That's what
Nah,
it sounded like. They were like, let her ride it out.
You
Let
know
her
what's so
walk on it.
crazy? I had that verse a long time ago. I was hiding the top of my head. That's why I'm at 200K followers.
Okay.
If you ain't peep, the end of the song was 100K on me, like my followers. That was when I was at 100K. So that's why I said everything is the perfect timing, because I always held that. And when I heard that beat, I was like, yo, I think I got something for this. At first, I was like, damn, hopefully they like it. And when I came out, they was like, that shit is lit.
That's what's up. That's what's up. Yo, Sha. I know you hear me, Sha. I know you hear me, Sha. Sha. You gotta put the instrumental out. We have to hear her bars now. We gotta test her. This is the original.
These gummy bears is so good.
We live on Triple Vibes Radio. The Red, Pure Beauty. Where can people find you now?
Well, I'm about to change my Instagram to the real kitty kitty _. That's my backup page. But I'm about to switch it. Because everybody knows Pure Beauty is a comedian. So because of my skits and stuff. But I don't want them to not see me do those videos anymore. So I'm going to just switch it. I'm going to put the real kitty kitty on my main page. That's my artist name.
I feel some way about that.
Why?
Easy. Like I was enjoying seeing those skits.
Yeah,
those skits are funny as hell. Especially old boy with Shorty. How y'all get that Shorty dude?
Who?
It's some short dude, right?
43 Giant?
I don't know who it is, but it's some short dude.
He's a little person?
Yeah, little person.
Yeah, 43 Giant. I know a couple of them.
Oh man, I need a gang of those guys.
He cool.
That's how the City of Demons is.
They cool.
They
cool.
good. They good.
I fuck with. They don't
Those
care.
your peoples.
Those my peoples.
All right, that's good. So what else are you doing now?
I'm just locking myself in.
You sure you're gonna lock yourself in?
I'm ready.
You ready?
I'm ready.
Positive.
I'm positive.
All right, y'all remember this, because there's gonna be a lot of exclusive shit happening, and we on Talk Games. We about action here. So, yo, put that beat on, bro. Yeah. Kitty, kitty. The real kitty. We about to test the bars.
Diamonds on me like I'm sleeping with the jeweler. All that rockin' itches and it don't come with the moolah. Everything in motion for the moolah. You gon' think these bitches potty training how they pull up. Shitting on you bitches, every verse I drop is ether. I ain't with the subs, I'd rather go and get some pizza. Kitty sitting pretty, picture perfect Mona Lisa. Now the buzz growing, need 2,000 for a feature. Niggas be like, you know I saw you in the video. True, you know I heard you on the radio. True, they tryna hit me with that ditty dough. But pussy fatter than that little nigga Tyrio. And I got some pictures I can leak of your nigga, he a freak. He be like the pussy sweet and he be eating it for weeks. I make him greet me on his knees. Tell him make them rolly freeze. Chop a copper, don't be cheap, I make him blow a couple G's. Kitty.
Yeah, Triple Vibes Radio. We live the red exclusive freestyle. I would go, but I don't ride. Nah, I ain't gonna do it. Let's go.
He's not gonna do it.
We testing delivering right now. We want to see that action. We just switched it up on beat per second, all that.
You rap bitches is boring, ain't got pussy stink.
Yeah.
Kitty got the bars, go ahead and grab a drink.
Hey.
I could've said verses, but you know, it's the same way. Cause I be taking shots till I pass out. Time to cash out. Now go hit the ATM, pulled all the cash out. I'm just a boss bitch. That's what they mad about. Got on the road to riches, called it the cash route.
Let me get that. Rewind that from the top. I have to hit that one. Hey, yo, kitty. Look. I'm gonna teach you about the game and the lane. Live with these lanes. It's 2020 and they really still gonna hate. We ride around Benz the color of milkshakes. Niggas, Jews is colder. My Jews is colder. Show you dudes. Pick up packets with soldiers. I ain't with the average niggas. See me in the laid back Benz. Baddest bitches. Mamas ain't getting nada from me unless the real kitty says, bitch, you can swallow for free. I'm the kid that be winning. My truck stop the rims spinning and spinning. What they fuck really grilling me for? Acting like you never seen the spick in the Escalade with 5 cylinder before. The same dudes driving to get it. They driving the Civic. I'm in the H2 screaming. Fuck y'all. Sky's the limit. You know I ride earnism. You probably thought I spit with y'all cause I put murder on ain't listen. Who I love me live on triple vibes. The ears the guy. I'm so fly. Nigga, this is NY. Why try? Throw bleach in your eye with the lead. But don't cry. Nigga, I leave the streets dead. It's me, kitty, live on the interview. This is the truth. Understand? We don't write that shit in the booth. No. Off the top of the head with the flow. The 4-4 dro. They don't really want it with the row. The kid on code. I'm so hardcore. The jail clothes stay on with the 4-4 arm. Whoa. Yeah, I spit a little.
I see, that was a lot.
But yeah, I know. I was trying to do you what you did on that last track. I was trying to be like you. You're my role model.
That was a lot.
You're my role model.
Like
we had to go
I like
in.
that.
Yeah.
We gotta do a track together.
No. I can't record.
We gotta do a track together.
Yeah. So
You better take it now.
Ooh,
right here.
Yo, I would sound gay right now.
Wait, pause.
Take it right now.
Pause.
Yo, no.
You better take the feature right now.
Yeah, there we go. That's better said. She about to get me
Damn,
killed
it's
by a couple
2020
people.
vision.
You about to get me killed by a
That
couple
was a
people.
lot. That was a lot of vision right there.
Yeah, I know. Another track right here. Let me see what you got. Let's see ball for ball on this. You could go slow rhythm, or is it just hyphy? Like we're putting different states on right now. Huh? We're gonna test that right there. You see?
Nah, I'm a little gangster. That's why. My own gangster.
You own gangster?
Hey.
She live in triple vibes, and she ain't backing down, so it's pretty good.
Who you know ill like that? Fuck how you feel like that? Shit get real like that?
Okay.
You think cause I'm pretty, I won't get gritty. A bitch get snatched out of heels like that.
Hey.
BBS diamonds, we shining. Top to the bottom. That's why we chill like that. Steady stress never a problem. My bitches got 'em. We in the field like that.
We in the field like that.
Hey.
We in the field like that.
See, like this is what I gotta do. I gotta feel the
with
flow,
rap.
you know.
We in the field with rap.
correct it.
Hey, yo, Shy, what we doing, huh? Got NY locked down, they shookin', huh? They don't pop with us now.
Nah.
They get shot down, they ain't us. How
Facts.
we getting the money and getting the dough. We flipping the flow when we doing this shit. Can't slip to all these kids that try to really sit trick with the kid. Understand? Tricks are for kids. Niggas don't know the biz. Getting money over bitch. Look at the tag. I live in sin. Whoa.
Hey.
Oh, you said my real name. That was crazy right now. She gave my government out.
What happened? Your Instagram say Ruben Burgle.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
That's why you wasn't trying to hide it.
Yo, oh my God.
You wasn't trying to hide it. It's all
hold
over.
up. Yo.
You got 50,000 followers.
No, but those are personal people. I got Mr. Dope Chef. Everybody know Mr. Dope Chef.
Mr. Dope Chef.
Oh man. She done gave out my
Kitty
alias.
They're 6'9".
Kitty done 6'9".
Oh,
Kitty done 6'9" me.
Nah,
Yeah.
fuck out of here. We're not saying 3. We're not saying that.
Okay, you got something for this? This is where I'm from.
This where you from?
Best style, home of the bad guy. Why try? Nigga die. Why with the case? Live with the bass, the chase, live with the ace, the king, live with the shit. I'm winning live in the ring, in the casino shit, spinning the shit. I'm ready, roulette, that means Russian when we pop the tech off the dresser, respect. The thun gun and gunner is back with the shit. Understand, I don't mother shit, you motherfucking bitch. Yes, it's sick, live with the flow. The switch is so hitting these hoes. I'm a pimp with the strut. What the hell do they know? Let the shit flame. Understand with the kitchen lane. We done flip the pots, pitching again. We done made the cookies, motherfucker. Let's spin. Uncle Sam wanna text a hand. Triple vibe stand, independent now. Understand your boy back. Yeah, Biggie with the tat, Pop with the gun, Jay with the 9, live from the slum, 718, we living, we still apes. Eat your face, nigga, and I really beat it on the base case. Nigga chased by the jakes, but the snakes wanna give me a race, so here's a fucking taste. I don't come with guns. C4, I bomb your mom's block and then blow the clock, let it chop for ya. Whole blocks, nitrous, back to Hoffa with Glocks to rap. There's a monster upon the track, whoa. I'm just going above their head. They don't understand. They really dead with the flow and shit. I'm so sick, nigga. They call me Hove and shit. I rock with the rock cause I'm the Hove, you bitch. That means the code when we spit it is sick. That means the real God MC that really knows dick. Through the trade and the burn of the biz, the cash, they can't spit this. That's why they call me illuminated. Well, nigga, stop it. Y'all hate it cause we made it and y'all faked it. Understand we on some grave shit, brave shit. 16 down, the city is clowns. Understand all you demons are standing out now. Yes, back down. Gun touch ground, that means cock on low, live with that copper flow. Cock with a vest, pop at the neck, leave them dead. I don't rep that on the breath, but understand freedom of speech. I'm Uncle Sam on the street, so I'm taxing life when I speak. Damn, I done skip like that. This is how we freestyle and we bring Brooklyn back. You see, we on triple vibes. This ain't no act, no written scripts. Look what we pack. We real that.
Whoop.
Yo, Kitty's nice.
That was some shit.
Her.
You did a whole song right now.
I did. I was trying like this. You
did a
came
whole
hard
song.
too. Oh, why you did that to her, bro?
Cool.
You could go.
Hey.
Hey. I was like, I think she could do it. I think she could do a club track because she was in clubs.
I was what?
You were in clubs. You
club
can't do
track?
a club. Yeah, that's
I got a couple.
Yeah. This is wicked.
I got the counter.
This is lit. Yo, Sha, that's enough for the freestyle sessions. Let's get back to this now. We gonna end this up. So, with all the music done now, anything you want to tell the fans?
It's not done yet.
It's not done yet?
It ain't done yet.
It ain't done
even
yet?
start
It
yet.
just began?
It ain't even begin.
Oh, man, the bars is killer bars.
It ain't even begin.
Okay, so
It's just the beginning.
we live on Triple Vibes, Triple Threat Thursday. Do you have anything to say to the followers of your music on what you're doing next?
When I drop my project, I need all my followers go do a video, have fun with
Yo,
it.
you wild.
know?
You wild.
Triple vibes.
Yo, Sha, she don't know how to
Hashtag
do it
Real
yet.
Kitty.
Yo, go fucking follow her music, man.
Go
I'll
follow
smack
it.
the shit out of you if you don't follow her fucking music. I swear to God, I'll come to the gun to the door and pop you right
To
in
the
your
gun to
fucking
the door.
face if you don't follow her music, son. Like, what the fuck you doing,
Right
huh?
fucking now.
See, I'm turning you into gangster. I'm a nerd. I ain't mean none of that. Please, I don't want no smoke with y'all.
What? This so what?
You stupid.
Yo, Sha, we out though, man. Oh, where can they find you? One time, hold up. Where can they
At
find you?
Pure Beauty, but is PUREL3EAUTY. If you call me
Bang.
Perel, we fighting. You heard me?
Pow!
Don't call me Perel. I ain't no fucking
Bang.
hand sanitizer, nigga.
Hey. Oh, I did that nice. You can do that? Look.
What?
Hey. Oh, that's how you do it? You do the shoulders too? Hey. I'm 40 years
Hello,
old.
you
I can't do
supposed
that.
to.
Hey.
You gotta, slide it.
Hey.
No, that looks like a drag queen.
Yo, son.
You can't go A.
Yo, Sha, why you always call me white, bro? Yo, Sha, why you always call me white, bro?
That was some drag queen shit.
Oh, drag queen?
You was like, A.
Oh, man. We got that tape, yo, bro.
Let me find out. Nah, I'm just playing. I'm just playing. Let me stop fucking with you. I'm playing with you.
What?
She got security here, bro. Don't do it.
I'm just playing.
Lord.
Shady.
Oh,
Shout out to
Lord.
Shady. My security, you heard? Shady baby.
Should be alright. Should be alright. Yo, so we gonna work on these albums or what?
Let's go right now.
Oh, we gonna. Yo,
Let's go.
say no
I'm
more.
in the mood right now. I'm in the mood.
Yo, we out with Triple Vibes, man. You already know what it is. DJ Shot Black, Triple Threat Thursday. Every Thursday, 8 to 10. We went a little over because we had the real kitty in this bitch. You understand? Pure Beauty, P-U-R.
L3
L3.
EAUTY.
Yeah, I don't know how to spell.
It's Pure Beauty, but the B is an L3 put together.
I get it. Why you did that?
Exactly.
Because it makes a B.
Duh. Bitch is
I
pure,
didn't know
not
that. I
Perel.
thought she really Perel.
I'm really here for the smoke.
Perel
Watch me in
Eddie.
hell.
Eudy. I thought it was Perel Eudy.
You know I got a song like that. It
Perel
starts like
Eddie?
that. It says, bitch is pure, not Perel.
I didn't know that.
I'm really here for the smoke. Watch me in hell.
Oh. Yo, I don't know if she's beaming or she's angelic or she's just in life trying to fight everybody, but
I'm not trying to fight nobody. I don't want no smoke
What?
with
That shit, Perel.
nobody.
See you in hell? You heard the ball you
I
just
don't
said?
want. I'm a
You gonna
child
have
of
flaming
Jesus,
with everybody. There's
the
gonna
name
be
of the
every woman
Son.
wanting to basically go ball for ball with you. She think it's a game, Sha. She dumb. No.
Why?
What? This industry is going to test you with bars. These bars is going to come from vanity bitches and hoes that don't like your flow because you're capturing that dough. I sound like an old dude. Yo, bro, I want that as an ad-lib, bro.
It's cool.
I need that.
It's cool.
Yeah, yo,
You know
Triple
what?
Vibes, we out,
You know
man.
what? Whether I had a flow or not, they not gonna like me anyways. I could have been there to be a video vixen. They ain't gonna like me because I look good.
Oh, wait, one
I'ma
more
be
question.
there to be a fucking photographer.
There we
They ain't
go.
gonna like me.
Yo, how many tattoos you have?
I have a couple.
Nah, we want a number.
I don't know.
Damn.
I lost count.
You believe this?
I did. I got a couple jail looking tattoos, so I don't want to
Jailhouse tattoos?
I said jail looking tattoos.
Oh, I thought she said jailhouse tattoos. Yo, bro, this conversation was
Oh,
about
I
to
got
go
some house
this
tattoos.
way.
Most of my tattoos was in my house. What are you talking about?
No jailhouse tattoo. Jailhouse tattoos. I'm breaking a radio. I'm using it for a tattoo gun, and I'm forget it.
Nah, I never did that.
Yeah,
But they look like it though.
Damn.
You don't see? That shit look crazy.
Yo, shot. We out of here. We good. Triple Vibes Radio. Bang.
Bang.